Model 2019 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO long wheelbase, LL29 1.6 dCi 120 business plus van bargain body, white, panel van mileage, 43,525 engine, 1,598 cc R9M DCI 120 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 2 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £14,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on